iPhone always has easy ways to open their packaging. So just pull the plastic off. I will be very interested to see what could fit in here. So the phone actually comes in 4 different colors. There's graphite, silver, gold, and Pacific blue. This particular one I've got here will be in the silver. Just opens like that. Shiny, and my fingerprints are already going on there. Okay, so we've got the paperwork here. And sticker. And the manual. Yes, and the clip to remove the SIM card. This is the charger, and it doesn't come with the power adapter. I mean, for this price, you should be getting everything that you need to use for your phone to function. But this time, we do not get a power adapter. So it's either you use your old one or you buy another one, and that's an extra cost to you. But you know, iPhone designs these things and does all these things on purpose. So, you know, you either stick with them or you don't. Here we are. So that's the charger right there. As you saw, the boxes come thin. So there's obviously not much would fit in here. Hence no power adapter. Okay, let's move on to the fun part, which is the phone. If you care about fingerprints all over your phone, then you're gonna have trouble cleaning all this every 5 minutes. And as I pull it off, you can see very clean and shiny. Yeah, I just really like this. And I just love the silver. I went for the clean look. And I do not regret my choice at all. And that's it there. Lovely. And this is the side that has the on button. Very reflective. And this is the other side. As you can see, you've got the volume buttons and the off button, mute button, which is there. And you can open that there to put a SIM card if needed. So this is the MagSafe charger. I had to buy this separately. This is the charger, and it's packaged very nicely. Itself looks very nice. Look at that. Oh, they are so sleek with everything they do. The details. So I'll just place the phone over the top. It's very steady. So even if you shake it, it won't come off, which is a plus. Let's see how it performs with the case on the phone. I just wonder how it will hold up with scratches and so on over time. But again, nothing is meant to last forever, so that's it there. Very light and clean, clear. This part of the case is magnetic, so this is where the charger will sit. Very steady, very steady. So let's just put my phone in here. I kept the paper on because of the reflection. voila. It feels good in the hand, it feels very steady, and that's it. Fitted nicely, and the charger is on there very steady, very steady. The magnetic is still very strong, and love it. So that's the first screen that pops up. So swipe up, and I'm going to select English, Australia. It's just setting my language. So it's just saying it may take a few minutes to activate my phone. So I love this already. It's so clean, it's so neat, and it feels just steady, you know, but not heavy. The Face ID is now set up. So now it's just talking about transferring information and apps from my old phone, which I will do off screen. Here I've got my 8 Plus, which I still adore, but it's time to move on to better things. Newer things, as you can see, the cameras are different. The sizes are slightly different. So the display screen is about 6.7 inches, which is enough for me to watch my shows. And you know, it nearly has about 2 extra hours of battery life compared to just the Pro. So yes, I will test that out and see how that works out. But so far, I am loving the features. The zoom, the digital zoom is up to 10 times more. But honestly, I just like the big size because of the screen, because I'm just simple like that. And I will test out the cameras to see how much more different they are from my 8 Plus. And as you can see, I went with the rose gold on my 8 Plus, but honestly, this white, or silver I should call it, is a change, a very welcome change, and I want it to match my watch. I have done the review for my Apple Series 6 watch and an unboxing for the black one, but I usually tend to wear the white band just because I like it better. It does have a pink rosy band that the watch comes in as well, but I love the white